We think we know the world. Maps, continents, oceans. We see the lines drawn on paper, the names of countries, the blue of the seas, and we imagine we've uncovered all there is to know. But the truth is, our planet is full of mysteries, and many of its secrets remain hidden just beneath the surface, waiting to be discovered by those who look a little closer. Sometimes you stumble upon a place that doesn't just surprise you, it completely rewrites the rules of what you thought was possible. It challenges everything you thought you knew about the Earth's story. The Philippines isn't just a collection of islands scattered across the sea. It's a living, breathing geological event in constant motion. This country is a crossroads of nature's most powerful forces, where the land itself is always changing. Here, you'll find rivers that flow backward against all odds, waterfalls that seem to burst straight from solid rock, and fragments of ancient continents that have drifted across oceans to settle here. The land tells a story millions of years in the making. This isn't fantasy or legend, it's real, and it's wilder than anything you could imagine. Nature here is untamed, unpredictable, and endlessly fascinating. Beneath those postcard-perfect beaches and turquoise waters, the Philippines is being reshaped every day by powerful, unseen forces. From the world's deepest ocean trenches to explosive volcanoes that rise from the sea, this land is a living laboratory of Earth's most dramatic processes. Today, we're about to dive into 25 mind-blowing geographic facts that will not only change how you see this country, but might just transform the way you think about our entire planet. Prepare to be amazed by the wonders that lie hidden in plain sight. Get ready to see the Philippines as you've never seen it before. Let's begin this journey of discovery together. Off Mindanao's coast, the ocean floor plunges into the Galathea depth, over 10,500 meters deep. If you drop Mount Everest in, its peak would still be a mile underwater. This trench is a subduction zone, a place of crushing pressure and geological power, holding secrets we're only beginning to uncover. Out in the Philippine Sea lies the Philippine Rise, 13 million hectares of submerged plateau, larger than Luzon. Recognized in 2012 as part of the country's continental shelf, it's a new frontier for science, biodiversity, and resources. Even today, the world map is still being redrawn beneath the waves. The Verde Island Passage is the center of global marine biodiversity. In this narrow strait, you'll find more species of coral and fish than almost anywhere else on Earth. It's a vibrant, fragile superhighway for marine life, nature's greatest treasure. The Hinatuan Enchanted River in Mindanao is a sapphire blue river with no visible source. Saltwater springs from underground caves, creating a magical, mysterious oasis. Its true depth remains unknown, and local legends say it's home to spirits. It's a portal to another world, right here on Earth. Palawan isn't volcanic like the rest of the Philippines. It's a fragment of mainland Asia that drifted south millions of years ago. That's why its landscapes and rocks are so different. When you stand on Palawan, you're on a piece of a lost continent. Camaguan Island has more volcanoes than towns, 7 in just 238 square kilometers. Its eruptions have shaped the land, created hot springs, and even sunk a cemetery beneath the sea. Here, creation and destruction are always in motion. Life and death dance on this island of fire. The Pasig River in Manila breaks the rules. It can flow in either direction depending on tides and lake levels. This tidal estuary connects Laguna de Bay to Manila Bay, sometimes reversing its flow entirely. It's a rare, living example of nature and city colliding. In Sohoton Cove's Tojaman Lagoon, you can swim with thousands of stingless jellyfish. Isolated for so long, they've evolved to lose their sting, turning a nightmare into a magical, living lava lamp. It's a hidden world where nature rewrites its own rules. The Philippine Fault System is a 1,200-kilometer scar running the country's length, driving earthquakes and shaping mountains. It's a force that tears the land apart and creates new landscapes. The ground beneath your feet is always moving. Every map in the Philippines traces back to Station Balanacan on Marinduque Island, the Luzon Datum of 1911. This unassuming marker is the geodetic heart of the nation. It's the single point that brings order to a country of thousands of islands. The Cordillera Rice Terraces in Ifugao are ancient engineering marvels, 2,000 years old and stretching for thousands of kilometers. Built by hand, they follow the mountain's contours, creating a sustainable, living landscape. They're a testament to human ingenuity and harmony with nature. The Philippines sits on the typhoon superhighway, hit by about 20 tropical cyclones a year. These storms have shaped the land and the resilient spirit of its people. Disaster preparedness and community strength are part of the national identity. Metro Manila is sinking, up to 10 centimeters a year. due to soft delta soil and groundwater extraction. Combined with rising seas, this causes chronic flooding and forces constant adaptation. Manila is a city in a daily battle with water. 100 Islands National Park in Pangasinan changes with the tides, 123 islands at high tide, 124 at low. These ancient coral islets emerge and vanish, blurring the line between land and sea. It's a landscape that shifts every day. The Sohoton Natural Bridge in Samar is a massive stone arch, carved by water over millions of years. It's a natural wonder in a landscape of caves and jungles. Nature's architecture rivals anything humans can build. Asik Falls in North Cotabato is a waterfall with no river. Water gushes straight from a cliff face. Fed by underground springs, it creates a curtain of water and mystery. It's a hidden marvel, discovered only recently. The Cebu-Cordova Link Expressway is the country's longest and tallest bridge, an icon of modern engineering. It's transforming life between islands, but even bigger bridges are on the horizon. The Philippines is connecting its islands like never before. The San Juanico Strait, just 2 kilometers wide, churns with powerful tidal currents and whirlpools. Spanned by the graceful San Juanico Bridge, it's both a natural challenge and a human triumph. It's where nature's power meets human determination. Palawan's Puerto Princesa subterranean river flows for over 8 kilometers underground. Exploring it by boat reveals vast caverns and a hidden world beneath the mountains. It's a masterpiece of water's slow, patient power. El Nido and Coron's towering limestone cliffs are ancient coral reefs, pushed skyward by tectonic forces. You're sailing through fossilized ocean, now sculpted into dramatic karst landscapes. It's a mountain range that once lay beneath the sea. Mount Pinatubo's 1991 eruption left a massive crater, now filled with a stunning blue lake. Beauty and danger coexist here. The lake once threatened catastrophic floods. It's a symbol of nature's power to destroy and create. Taal Volcano is a riddle, a volcano on an island surrounded by mystery and natural beauty. Its very existence challenges our understanding of how volcanoes form and evolve. This volcano sits in a lake, which itself rests on an island, all nestled within the Philippines. The layers of land and water create a breathtaking scene, almost like a natural puzzle waiting to be solved. And all of this is in the sea. Over centuries, Taal's powerful eruptions have dramatically reshaped the surrounding landscape, building new land and carving out craters. Today, Taal is a sleeping giant, just a short drive from Manila, and stands as one of the world's most unique and fascinating volcanic wonders. Bohol's Chocolate Hills, over 1,200 perfectly conical mounds, turn brown in the dry season, resembling giant chocolate kisses. They're ancient coral deposits, weathered into uniform shapes over millennia. It's a surreal, natural art installation on a massive scale. Mount Apo towers over Mindanao at 2,954 meters, the country's highest peak and a sacred, potentially active volcano. Climbing it takes you through rainforests, mossy woods, and volcanic landscapes. From the summit, you stand on the roof of the Philippines. The Philippines' coastline stretches over 36,000 kilometers, 5th longest in the world. With 7,641 islands, its shores are endlessly varied, from white sands to mangroves and cliffs. The sea shapes every aspect of life here. The Philippines is a showcase of Earth's wildest magic tricks, rivers that flow backward, volcanoes within lakes, and landscapes that seem to defy logic. Here, nature puts on a show that's both mesmerizing and mysterious, inviting us to witness its wonders up close. Imagine islands that appear out of nowhere, only to vanish beneath the waves as the tides change. These magical sandbars and shifting islets are like nature's illusions, constantly reminding us that the Earth is alive and always in motion. From the perfectly rounded chocolate hills of Bohol to the towering limestone cliffs of Palawan and the almost symmetrical Mayon volcano, the Philippines is a living museum of geological wonders. Each formation tells a story millions of years in the making, always changing, always surprising. Exploring these places is like stepping into a real-life adventure. They remind us to stay curious, to keep exploring, and to never stop asking questions about the world around us. Which of these incredible facts blew your mind the most? Was it the disappearing islands, the volcanoes within lakes, or something else entirely? We'd love to hear your thoughts and reactions. Let us know in the comments below which natural wonder amazed you the most. The surprises here never stop, and there's always something new to discover in this incredible country. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Click for more mind-blowing discoveries, and don't forget to subscribe for your next adventure with us.